In the Soul Mosaic course, we connect you with the most creative part of your soul in a very, very deep, powerful meditation. We let this creative part become visible. Let the creative energy flow through your upper chakras into your hands so that you get a vision of your completely unique soul mosaic.
Yeah, so what surprised me the most was how you can go from a hectic business world to a complete zero state in such a short time, into nothingness, into total existence, and through that recharge with a ton of new creativity and ideas. Well, I'm thrilled.
I am extremely grateful, and I would highly recommend it to each and every person, and I will definitely do it again.
Solaris has simply worked wonders through her meditation, through her way of being, through her presence, through her sheer energy and presence. She has also cleared a lot. During the meditations, indeed, I was capable of experiencing a great deal, truly experiencing on a profound level. And that simply confirmed what I desired to have or obtain in this place, which is exactly what I was looking for. And the whole group energy has constantly carried, transported and transformed the creativity in an incredible way.
Every individual is unique. However, each individual is still an integral part of a collective entity. And I must extend my heartfelt appreciation to Sebi and Solaris for graciously affording me the chance to be in this place. It's so much fun, and you're supported throughout the whole process. And yeah, just come on over and give it a try.
So come on, come over here, make your soul visible and connect with your most powerful powerhouse, your soul.